name is Gaurav Balian from Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Sadra, BPS third year. My roll number is 6. My guide is Dr. Mohammad Badi sir. Today we are going to discuss about the game wrestling. History. Wrestling has always been popular in India since old time. Earlier it was mainly an exercise to stay physically fit. In Mahabharata, Bhim was considered to be great wrestler of all time. It was developed by ancient Greece to train their soldiers. The first national wrestling tournament took place in 1888 in New York. In India, wrestling is referred as Pehlwani or Kushti. The players of the sport is also known as Pehlwan. The teachers is known as Ustad. Some of the famous wrestlers of all times are the Great Gama, Bholu Pehlwan, Dara Singh, Sushil Kumar, Babita Kumari Fogart, and many more. Now let's move on to the measurement of wrestling mat. So as you can see, this is the wrestling mat. So this is the area which is of 7 meter. This is called central wrestling area. And this is the orange part which is of 1 meter, passivity zone. And this is the protection area which is of 1.5 meter. And the length and the breadth of the mat is 12 meter each. Now let's discuss about the equipments used in wrestling. Wrestling singlet, wrestling mat, wrestling shoes, wrestling knee pads, mouth guard, and wrestling bands. Wrestling singlet. Wrestling singlet is a garment of one piece that covers the torso of the wrestler. For protection of the shoulder and tabs are provided over it. Singlet is made of lycra or nylon. It is mandatory to wear if the wrestler is participating in tournaments. Next is wrestling headgear. Wrestling headgear is not an essential item, but it is necessary to wear a headgear. If you are playing in a higher level match, there is a single size headgear available that can fit all with adjusting straps. Headgears are designed to protect the wrestler's ears. The next is wrestling mat. The dimension of mat must follow the International Federation of Associated Wrestling Style guidelines. The thickness of mat must be between 5 and 7 cm with the core made of high density and shock absorbing foam. Next is wrestling shoes. The shoes need to be very soft and lightweight. This is because the wrestler need to feel light during the match. So now let's talk about wrestling knee pads and mouth guard. Knee pads are used for the protection of knees during the shooting process. Most of the wrestlers get hurts on their knees, so this is an essential item. On the other hand, mouth guards are used to protect the teeth of the wrestler during the match. Next is wrestling band. Generally, two types of bands are there in match, red and green. One wrestler is given red band and other is given a green one. Bands make the identification and scoring of the wrestler easier for the referee. Now let's talk about the skills of wrestling. The 7 basic skills of wrestling are stance, motion, level change, penetration, lifting, backstep, back arch. Stance. Some wrestlers prefer a square stance while others prefer a staggered stance. Either stance can work equally well. Make sure you have most of the weight on your feet. Motion. Wrestling involves a tremendous amount of motion. You may circle your opponent. You may attack your opponent with a takedown attempt. Level change. Before a wrestler shoots a takedown, he must lower his level. This is accomplished by lowering his hip. Penetration. You lower your level and penetrate deeply, being sure to keep your hips forward and beneath your shoulder while you drive through your opponent during penetration. Lifting. A wrestler often lifts his opponent off the mat when executing a takedown. He may also lift an opponent who has performed a stand-up from the bottom position. Backstep. A backstep is most often seen when a wrestler executes a throw. Back arch. When a wrestler attempts a throw, he often pops his hips under his opponent while arching his back. Other skills. Other important basic skills includes setting up takedown, pummeling, wrist control, and hand fighting. At last, I want to talk about rules and regulations of wrestling. Any illegal holds is not allowed in wrestling, which can be dangerous for other players. Going off the mat or forcing your opponent off all of the mat to avoid wrestling is violation. Grabbing clothes, mat or head gears is not allowed. If you're down on the mat in the control of opponent, you cannot lock or overlap your hands, fingers or arms of opponent forcefully unless you meet pin criteria. Leaving mat during match without referee's permission must not be done. Unnecessary roughness must not be shown in match. Opponent gets 1 or 2 points for any of the above misconductions. Thank you. This was all about the game wrestling.